Good morning to all of you. Now the board is visible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See how much we have completed yesterday. Worksheet 3, question number 1. Okay. Today we will discuss about the question number 3. Have you doubt in question number 3?
No, ma'am.
No.
Sheet 3, question number 2.
3, question number 2.
Ma'am, question number E.
Worksheet 3, question number 3. 3b minus 452 plus 138. The question is given minus minus 452 plus 138. Okay. Then what you have to do? You side में you have to subtract 452 138. This is minus is given and this is plus. At first you subtract. Okay. 12 minus 8 4 4 minus 3 1 then 3 314. It will be minus or plus? Tell me. Minus, yes, minus 314 because yes, because negative numbers दिया है, this is B, ये negative number बड़ा दिया हुआ है इसीलिए. The board is visible to all of you? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am. Board is clear. Then the board is clear.
Okay.
Now I am asking question number 2.
Question number. हाँ. Ask me which question? E.
Question का E.
E. Okay. E.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Not clear.
1001 minus 101. Please kindly mute yourself. Kindly students mute yourself. 1001 minus 101. Okay. 1001. 1001 plus minus 101. Okay. Now you subtract 1001 minus 101. You have to subtract 0, 0, then 10 minus 1, 9. Huh? Yes, plus 900. जो साइन में ज्यादा नंबर होता है वही साइन रहेगा. ये प्लस साइन will be more than minus sign. So plus 900. Okay.
No.
Or any other question?
Worksheet 3 का H.
H. Okay.
Ma'am, worksheet 3.
Now next H. Please mute yourself. Now H minus 19 158 minus 103. Okay. See regroup the negative numbers. Okay, you regroup the negative numbers. Minus 19 plus
Ma'am, your voice
minus
is
103
cracking. Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
plus 158. Now minus 19 minus 103 103 20 21 22 minus 122 plus 158. Then you subtract this 8 minus 2 6 5 minus 2 3 plus 36. That is your answer. Okay, you have to regroup the positive numbers or negative numbers. Here two negative numbers are there, so you have to regroup them. Negative number, this negative numbers दोनों को मिला देना है, ऐड कर देना है. टोटल नेगेटिव नंबर्स minus 122. Then positive number is given 158. You have to subtract 158 to 122. Yes, understood or not?
उसका आगे क्या लिखे है ना मैम? 103 क्या?
See. Okay. Now it is visible to all of you?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, next question. Have you done this?
मैम बस
Everybody is
Yes,
writing.
ma'am.
Okay,
ये वाला
I
बताइए,
have
ma'am.
not taken the
Question
screenshots
number
because
three का
this
J.
is your revision work.
जे नंबर बताइए.
आपका इसी का
जे
स्क्रीनशॉट
नंबर.
भेजने का जरूरत नहीं है ना आपको?
नो मैम.
Okay.
जे का बताइए.
Everybody note it down. Shall I have this?
जे का बताइए.
हाँ.
मैम यू कैन एक्सप्लेन जी.
Yes.
जे मैम.
Yes.
जे.
At first you tell me. Shall I rub
जी
this?
जी. जे. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am. मैम जी बताइए.
हाँ.
जे बताइए मैम.
जी.
नॉट जी. जे बताइए मैम. उसके बाद जे बताइएगा.
One by one. Minus 419, 386, then 419. See, how many positive numbers and negative numbers are there? There are two positive numbers and one negative numbers. There are. Okay. Then you have to regroup these two positive numbers. You have to add. At first you write down minus 419 plus 386 plus 419. You have to regroup them. You first add these two numbers. Minus 419 plus. You add this 9 plus 6, 15, carry 1, 8, 1, 9, 1, 10. 0, carry 1, 4, 3, 7, 1, 8. 805. Then you have to minus 805 minus 419. 15 minus 9, 6. Then here 9. 9 minus 1, 808 साइड में हम माइनस कर रहे हैं. 15 minus 9 equal to 6. Here is 9. Okay, that is plus.
Ma'am, I have doubt in question number J. Ma'am, J, but
Is it visible to all of
J
you?
में doubt. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. J में doubt है ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ, tell me.
listen. J में doubt है ma'am.
Okay. Shall I rub this
J
one?
बताइएगा इसके बाद.
Bian,
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Wait.
हाँ? What you are telling?
जे नंबर में क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का जे
J.
इसमें डाउट है।
J. -65. Then -35, 100. See, how many negative numbers are there? There are 2 negative numbers and 1 positive number. Okay? -65 plus -35 plus 100. Okay? You have to regroup these two negative numbers and at first you solve these two negative numbers addition. Okay? That is 90 minus 100 then plus 100. Okay, minus 100 plus 100 it will be cancelled. Then what is its value? Value is 0. Understood? Everybody understood or not?
Yes ma'am, understood. Yes.
Okay.
Understood. Yes ma'am.
Or any other question from question number 3?
No ma'am.
Okay. Next, properties of addition. Okay. Next we will go to the next worksheet. Properties of addition. The sum of any two integers is also an integer. Okay. The sum of any two integer you can take it and add. What is its value? Its value is also an integer. Then property number 2. The sum remains the same even if we change the order of the addends. Addend means, who will say what is the meaning of addends? Anyone please? Nitya, what is the meaning of addends? Do you know?
The sum of two numbers.
Huh?
And the numbers added.
Yes, the numbers which are
The
being
sum
added.
of two
The numbers which we are using for addition. These numbers are called addends. Very good. Okay. If we change the order of addends, suppose we are writing 2 plus minus 3 is equal to also, I change the addends means minus 3 plus 2. Okay. This is the property. Here you see 2 plus minus 3. If I change the order of the addends, I will take first minus 3, then I will add plus 2 again. Next. Okay. Then also its value remains same. It will not changing of their values. Okay. That is the second property. The sum remains same even if we change the order of the addends. Then property number 3. Sum of three integers remains same even after changing the grouping of addends. Okay. अगर आप कोई भी दो को एक ग्रुप ले लेंगे, three numbers is given, three integers is given. If we change their group of addends, then also the sum remains same. Suppose 3 plus minus 1, I can take it as a group 3 plus minus 1 plus 5. Suppose this also, what is its value? I will check. Next also 3 plus minus 1 plus 5. We will take these two as a group. Okay. I am just taking the group as the addends I am changing here. Here I will take these two as a group. But in this case I am taking minus 1 plus 5 as a group. Also when we add, the value will not change. See, what will be its value? 3 plus minus 1. 2 plus 5. How much? 7. Here see, 3 plus 5 minus 1. 4 is equal to 7. Okay. This is also 7. Values are same or not? Yes or no?
Ma'am, same.
Yes? Are you listening me or not?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, these properties you have to remember. Okay, 3 properties. Tomorrow I will ask properties. Next properties number 4. When 0 is added to any integer, कोई भी integer के साथ अगर 0 ऐड करेंगे, then the sum is the integer itself. If I am telling -11 plus 0, what is its value?
-11.
Very good. -11 plus 0 is equal to -11. It means the sum is the number itself. Okay, या फिर we can say the sum is the integer itself. Next, property number 5. When 1 is added to any integer, we get its successor. Have you remembered successor, predecessor? Successor means what?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Just greater than 1.
Successor will plus 1 and successor will plus 1 and predecessor is -1.
हाँ,
-1.
yes. Successor means plus 1, greater than 1, and predecessor means lesser than 1. Less than 1. Okay. When 1 is added to any integer, we get its successor, and every integer has an additive inverse such that their sum, integer and additive inverse, is equal to 0. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse means what? See, suppose I am given a number 3. What is its additive inverse? Tell me.
-3.
Very good. Very good. Additive inverse of 3 is -3. Why? If I will ask why.
Ma'am, your voice is
it
not
additive
visible to me.
inverse? Because 3 plus -3 is equal to 0. अगर कोई इंटीजर उसके साथ जो इंटीजर ऐड करेंगे, दोनों को ऐड करने के बाद अगर वैल्यू 0 है, तब एक दूसरे का एडिटिव इनवर्स कहते हैं. अगर हम नंबर बोलेंगे -3, व्हाट इज एडिटिव इनवर्स? इज +3.
3.
Yes, very good. हाँ, because if we add the integer and its additive inverse, we will get its value is equal to 0. Okay. The opposite of an integer is also called the negative or additive inverse of the integer. Okay. Now everybody clear about up to property 6. There are 6 properties. You have to learn each and every
Yes, ma'am.
properties, learn and also understood by everybody. Okay, everybody understand? Now we will go to the worksheet 4. Write down everybody worksheet 4.
Not to me.
Tell me. Question number 1. Find the sum. हाँ. Tell me. कुछ पूछ रहे हैं आप? अच्छा, इसका क्या हो गया? गोल गोल घूम रहा है. Ask me which question? Who is asking of worksheet 4? Any question?
Ma'am, worksheet 4-3.
हाँ. Question number 1. Find the sum in 2 different ways. Question number 1. Have you needed? From question number 1, any doubt?
Ma'am, your video is
Question number 2. Write the additive inverse of the following. You can do 31. What is its additive inverse?
worksheet 4.
-31. Okay?
Question number 1 मैम,
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ए. वर्कशीट 4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ए बताइए मैम.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है -32 50. ओके, टू डिफरेंट वे में एडिशन आपको दिखाना है. ओके, -32 प्लस 50 इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 18. यस,
Not clear.
हाँ, board is visible? Yes or no?
No.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear.
Now it is one way. Then second, a plus b also. If I change the addends, means 50 plus minus 32 is equal to 50 minus 32, 18. I am just changing the addends. Here I am writing minus 32 plus 50. Here I am writing 50 plus minus 32. I am just changing the addends. Huh?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear. Ma'am, your voice
Voice is not clear.
not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not
Ma'am,
coming.
your voice is not clear. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now,
It's
everybody please, listen, mute yourself. See what I am writing here, -32 50. Two integers is given, find the sum in two different ways. Okay,
Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
अभी आ रहा है कि नहीं voice? Now
No,
my
ma'am.
voice is clear or
No,
not?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, listen, एक बार और सुनो. -32 plus 50, okay, is equal to 18. Other way, I am writing 50 plus -32 is equal to 18. It means I am writing by changing the addends. Only हम addends को change करके add किए.
Voice is not coming.
Voice is not audible.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is cracking and sometimes it will not come. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Video पे भी
Video is clear.
स्क्रीन पे भी वीडियो ब्लैक आ रहा है. Sometimes get pause. तो वो तुम लोग की तरफ से प्रॉब्लम.
Your voice
अगर
also
आप मैम की तरफ से होता
cracking.
तो सबके कैमरे में होता ना.
Now my face is visible to all of you. Yes or no, Nitya? मैं दिख रही हूँ कि नहीं? Huh? Now you see on the board the question is given, find the sum in two different ways. Okay, I am writing here minus. Now my voice is audible to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, listen carefully. -32 plus 50, okay, is equal to 18, and in other way 50 plus -32. Why I am doing this? I am just changing their addends. You know the property 1 I am using. Okay, sorry, property 2. Property 1 is the sum of any two integer is also an integer. Property 2, the sum remains the same even if we change the order of the addends. Okay, ऐसे ही आप टू वे में उसका एडिशन दिखाएंगे. Understood? Or any other question from question number 1?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody can solve this. What is the additive inverse of minus 501? What is the additive inverse? Minus 501. Very good. 501. What is the additive inverse of 0?
Zero.
0. Very good. Very good. Then question number 3. From question number 3, which question I will do? Tell me.
Ma'am, E. Ma'am, question number C.
C.
Ma'am, E.
Okay.
Ma'am, C and E. Ma'am, D. Excuse me, ma'am. D also. Excuse me, ma'am. C, D, E.
C minus 825 plus 725 plus 100 plus minus 100. Okay. Then question is given, find the sum using the properties of addition. Okay. We will use the property of addition. See, we will regroup them. 725 plus 100. Okay. Otherwise, we can take these two also one group, these two also one group. Which group you want to take?
Ma'am, property.
Huh? Tell me. Which group you want to take?
Ma'am, we take property number 1. Ma'am, we take property number 1.
Property number 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Why we will take property number 1?
Ma'am, telling the sum of any numbers is also an integer. Yeah.
Minus 8. We will regroup them also. Minus 825 plus 725. It will take one group, and plus 100 plus minus 100. I will take other group. Okay. Now you tell me. Minus 825 plus 725. Minus 100 plus 100 minus 100. That is 0, which is equal to minus 100. We can change also grouping. Okay. This
The
is
4 questions. Ma'am,
now this is visible. All of you.
your video is not visible.
Have you any problem? Also other methods are there. Okay. Any other method I will use? See, minus 825 plus 100. Minus 825 plus 725 plus 100 plus minus 100. This is also other method you can use, which is equal to minus 825 plus answer minus 100. Same answer. You can take any 2 as a group. Okay. Also this method you can use. It is also other method you can use. किसी दो को आप एक ग्रुप बना सकते हैं. ओके, सॉल्व करने के लिए. अंडरस्टूड? और एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Everybody understood or not? Am I audible to all of you?
Ma'am, your video is not visible. Yes, ma'am, understand.
Video is not visible.
Ma'am, it is visible.
हाँ.
तो वो तुम्हारी तरफ से प्रॉब्लम है. What is visible? Ma'am, what is the homework?
हाँ, which question?
Ma'am, what is the homework I am thinking?
Homework, complete worksheet 4. Okay, complete
Okay, ma'am.
worksheet 4 and worksheet 3 also. I have done some question, also some questions are left which you have to complete. Okay. If you have any doubt in any question of worksheet 4,
No, ma'am, no doubt.
okay. Any property you can use and add this. Question number 3, any property you can use. You can take any 2 as a group, other 2 as another group, then you solve it. Question number 3. Then question number 4, fill in the following blanks. The negative of minus 3 is? The negative of minus
3.
plus 3. Very good. Because minus of minus 3, it will be plus 3. Then minus 8 plus dash is equal to minus 8.
0.
0. Very good.
Ma'am, 0.
0. Very good. Then 11 plus minus 16 is equal to dash plus 11.
Minus 16.
Minus 16. See, here the addends has changed. Okay, only the addends has changed.